What we were trying to achieve with the project, we wanted to build a suitable, a modern house for a multi-generational family, such as we are. For the 21st century, we wanted to bring a lot of light into the space. We wanted to maximise the natural light. We wanted to make as many spaces kind of connected as we could, because we wanted a feeling of openness and kind of connection. The challenge was that we were on a slightly narrower plot than the rest of our neighbours, so hence we ended up with a multi-level build, which probably we wouldn't have sat down and suggested, but it has worked really well, because it really lends itself to the maximum light and the open connection, the airiness in the building. We gave the architects some quite clear directions. We wanted it to be modern, we wanted it to be light and airy, and we wanted some real kind of, to feel the whole house to be connected, not to be individual. In terms of researching glazing, that was quite a journey, because I didn't know the first thing about windows. HBD actually were the first people that we went to talk to, and we were very impressed with the showroom, and the guys in there were very knowledgeable, and the whole thing seemed very polished and premium, which obviously was the kind of thing we were going for. There were some cheaper alternatives out there, which we did go and explore, but in the end we didn't feel the same confidence in the product and the quality. The thing with HBD is that they offer a complete service and through to installation, which I thought was very important, because it gave us the confidence that the end product would be premium. A lot of my friends have had bifolding doors recently, and certainly very popular in London houses with the open kitchens into the gardens. But I just felt that in the UK, although we've had some better summers, there's not that many days when it's hot enough to open the whole thing up. And I felt that when the doors were closed, I preferred the look of the sliding doors. I think it's more elegant and just tidier somehow. One of the first things, as soon as people come down into what we call it our super room, it's the kitchen diner. As soon as everybody comes down here, one of the first comments usually, "Oh, I love the doors. It's so light down here." And then we have to go and demonstrate, and we open and shut them, and I do feel like the right weight. They feel steady and solid, and it was important that I felt safe around the windows, given that I've got children and an elderly person and a dog to look after.